Book of Heaven, Volume 11, February 24th, 1917. In receiving communion, the soul must be consumed in Jesus and give him the complete glory of his sacramental life in the name of all. Having received communion, I was holding my sweet Jesus tightly to my heart, and I said, "My life, how I wish I could do what you yourself did in receiving yourself sacramentally, so that you may find your own contentments, your own prayers, your reparations in me." And my always lovable Jesus told me,
"My daughter, in this small circle of the host I enclose everything, and this is why I wanted to receive myself, to do complete acts which would glorify the Father worthily, as creatures would receive a God. And I gave to creatures the complete fruit of my sacramental life. Otherwise it would have been incomplete for the glory of the Father and for the good of creatures. This is why in each host there are my prayers, my thanksgivings, and everything else which was needed to glorify the Father and which the creature was supposed to do for me. So, if the creature fails, I continue my crafting in each host, as if I were receiving myself again for each soul. Therefore, the soul must transform herself in me, form one single thing with me, make my life, my prayers, my moans of love, my pains her own, as well as my heartbeats of fire with which I would want to ignite them. But I find no one who abandons herself as prey to my flames. In this host I am reborn, I live, I die, and I consume myself, but I find no one who consumes herself for me. And if the soul repeats what I do, I feel myself being repeated, as if I were receiving myself once again, and I find complete glory, divine contentments, outpourings of love that match me, and I give to the soul the grace to be consumed of my own consummation.